Hi and welcome to Violet Connie Art. I have a Scrawlrbox again today. Let's open it and see what's inside. So normal the tissue paper. Looks like some pens or something sticking out here. Okay, oh it's purple! Oh gosh, look at that! I love this! Yay! Very excited. Okay, November, is it? The prompt is body parts. Ooh, so what have we got in here? We've got biros by the looks of it. A black biro, a Kuinor 2B pencil to sketch with, a gel pen by the looks of it, a white gel pen, a nice big one, a pink biro, a white pencil, a graphite stick. I was actually looking for one of these yesterday, so yay, that's good. A blue biro, all by Bic. A purple one, yay, purple supplies, a tortillon or a blending stump. Oh, this feels nice. It has a really nice feeling to it, texture. Staedtler purple pencil, a Staedtler pink pencil, and a Staedtler greeny bluey pencil. So, and I love these lollies. I bought one of these for my son the other day because I used to get them a lot when I was a kid. So yum, that's so cool. I like what's in this box. It's very exciting. And here is the artwork, body parts. I have been working on my body parts, so this is right up my alley. It's purple and it's got colors I love. It looks like a sketchbook. How cool is that? Open it up. Have a look, see if it is a sketch. Oh, the cover feels really nice. A whole sketchbook. Look at that with a yellow kind of paper. This is very exciting. I'm very excited. I think that I'm going to fill up the whole thing with the supplies that's included. Cool. While I was unboxing, I forgot to show the artist, which is Taylor Brooker. She did some really awesome artwork. You can pause the video to see her Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter accounts. So I was really excited to get actual sketchbooks with this Scrawlrbox, and I put the stickers on the front cover. And I did the swatching out while I was lying on the couch watching some TV and just tested the supplies. I was inspired by the artwork that was in the box from Taylor, and so I kind of went with the same idea of doing eyes and noses and mouths and things like that. So I started out with using the purple, of course, because I was itching to use it. And I just used a mix of the purple pencil and pen to draw this eye. And I got all my images from Pinterest and just looked at it. You can kind of see my phone off to the side occasionally where I've got my reference photos on my phone. So this second one, I wanted to use that graphite stick and just try and do some graphite and use the white, what I thought was a white pencil, which is actually a pencil eraser, which is so good because I've wanted to try one and it's awesome. You can do some really fine details. So I use that pencil eraser to erase the highlights in the eye, and I'm in love with that pencil eraser. I am going to be using it a lot, I can see. One of my least favorite parts to draw of the face is the lips. I struggle so much with them. I think I did kind of okay here, but I think my lips drawing has a long way to go yet. And then I did a nose. So you can't really see the colors very well in this video today, and I'm not really sure why, but I did this one with the blue pencil, and I just did the nostrils with the blue pen to make the high contrast between the light shadows around the nose and the dark shadows of the nostrils. So then I move on to doing a ear, and I really enjoy drawing ears. I like how you can shade them and you can kind of do it in any way you want, and you can pretty much see that it's going to be an ear because ears are so different for everyone. Like, they're kind of similar between people, but you're able to make something very easily look like an ear by just adding a few shadows and light spots. After the ear, I wanted to fill up this last spot for the end of the video, and I decided to draw a hand. And I think the thumb is too big, so the fingers in the foreground should have been larger, but that's okay. I did my best, and I was trying to just fill up that space, I guess. I really enjoyed these supplies in this box. I am going to be filling this book up with body parts and things and keep working on my anatomy, which is something that I enjoy doing. And of course I had to give purple fingernails. And here is a close-up of my November Scrawlrbox challenge. That white gel pen, I did highlights in that eye there, and I wasn't very happy with it. It didn't really go down very well, and the colours from underneath seeped up through after a little while, so it didn't remain white. But overall, I'm really happy with how this Scrawlrbox challenge went and my sketches, because I often struggle with these, but this one was right up my alley. I used every single supply in the box, so I'm really happy with that. Some of them more than others, and I just enjoyed using these. These are going to be used very, very quickly. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video goes up. And thank you so very much for watching.